pulling because of breakage in the motor in this tractor. The Capozzo family out of Richmond, Michigan. Cruel Intentions, the name of the tractor, the John Deere 4010. Again, a 640 cubic inch motor underneath the hood and the cowling of this tractor. The Ford are in the excavating business over in the thumb. They chased the Grand National points for several years. They broke the motor last year. This is just, I think, the first or second time they've had it out in over a year. So it's one of those deals, you just got to take a little step at a time once in a while, and that's kind of where they're at tonight. So it's kind of a test and two, and I think they had it out last night at Wauseon, Ohio. They were down there at a regional national event, the Emmy Miller Tire Region 2 event down there in Wauseon at the Fulton County Fairgrounds. So we'll see Charlie Capozzo driving the Cruel Intentions John Deere. Run for the tractor out of Richmond. Charlie Capozzo, Cruel Intentions in that 290-foot range. 287.57, 287.57 for Charlie Capozzo. 287.57.